Hi guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best computerized sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing machine. This is a reliable, budget-friendly option that offers a lot of value for beginners and casual users. It features 60 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom stitch functions, as well as 7 auto-size buttonholes. Its 2-step automatic needle threader is easy to use, and the jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system ensures you won't lose time dealing with thread issues. The design is built to last, thanks to its durable metal frame construction, which allows it to handle thicker fabrics like denim. The fixed needle bar provides added stability for cleaner and more precise stitching. However, at 14 pounds, it's a bit heavier than similar models, which may cause portability concerns for some users. While it doesn't include advanced features like a wide table or alphanumeric fonts, its straightforward design makes it a great choice for simple sewing projects. In terms of value, the CS7000X is perfect for beginners or those who need a no-frills machine for occasional use. While it lacks the advanced capabilities of higher-ranked models, its affordable price point makes it an attractive option for anyone on a tight budget. The main drawbacks are its limited stitch options and the absence of quilting features. But if you're looking for an affordable, dependable sewing machine, the Brother CS7000X is worth considering. Next up at number 4 is the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing machine. This model is another great entry-level choice, offering 60 built-in stitches, including 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. The LCD display makes it easy to select and adjust stitches, while the improved needle threader ensures effortless threading every time. With a jam-resistant bobbin and an easy-to-use interface, this machine is designed for a hassle-free sewing experience. The CS7000X features a durable metal frame and a fixed needle bar, which allows for cleaner, more consistent stitching. It's compact and lightweight at just 10.5 pounds, making it ideal for users who need to transport their machine. While it lacks a wide table and quilting-specific features, the larger needle-to-arm workspace gives you enough room to handle medium-sized projects. This model also comes with 7 presser feet and a set of basic accessories, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The Brother CS7000X is the perfect choice for beginners or hobbyists who want reliability without spending a fortune. It's easy to use, well-built, and affordable, though it may not be the best fit for more advanced users or those looking to take on quilting projects. If you value simplicity and functionality, this machine delivers excellent value for its price. At number 3, we have the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. This model offers a step up in versatility with 70 built-in stitches, including quilting, decorative, and heirloom options, as well as 7 one-step buttonholes. The wide table and 10 included presser feet make this machine ideal for quilting enthusiasts and those working on larger projects. Its automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin system are user-friendly features that make sewing a breeze. The design of the CS7000X is both robust and practical, with a durable metal frame and a fixed needle bar for consistent, high-quality stitching. The LCD screen is intuitive, allowing you to easily select and customize stitches. Weighing 14 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but the added weight contributes to its stability during use. The hard protective case is a welcome addition, especially for users who need to store or transport their machine. In terms of value, the CS7000X is a fantastic mid-range option. Its additional features make it suitable for both intermediate and advanced users, while still being approachable for beginners. The only real downside is its higher price point compared to entry-level models. However, if you're serious about sewing and quilting, the CS7000X offers the perfect balance of functionality and performance. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Brother XR9550 sewing and quilting machine. This model is packed with 165 built-in stitches, including 110 utility and decorative stitches, and 55 alphanumeric stitches for monogramming. Whether you're working on garments, home decor, or quilts, this machine can handle it all. The wide table and 8 presser feet make it especially well-suited for quilting and larger projects, while the easy-to-read LCD screen simplifies stitch selection. The XR9550 features a lightweight, compact design at just 10.1 pounds, making it easy to transport. The durable metal frame ensures stability and longevity, and the automatic needle threader, along with the jam-resistant bobbin, adds to the overall convenience. The included hardcover provides added protection, making it a great choice for users who travel with their machine. This model is perfect for intermediate users and advanced hobbyists who want a versatile, feature-rich sewing machine. While it's slightly more expensive than some other models, the added functionality and user-friendly design make it well worth the investment. The only downside is that it may be a bit overwhelming for complete beginners, but for anyone ready to take their sewing to the next level, this is a top-notch choice. Finally, coming in at the #1 spot is the Brother CS7205 computerized sewing machine. This premium model offers an impressive 150 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches, as well as 8 one-step buttonholes and an alphanumeric font for monogramming. The wide table and 11 included presser feet make it the ultimate choice for sewing and quilting enthusiasts who demand versatility and precision. The CS7205 is designed with a robust yet lightweight frame, weighing just 2.2 pounds, which is surprisingly portable for a machine with such advanced features. The automatic needle threader, quick-set bobbin, and LCD screen allow for a seamless user experience, while the durable construction ensures that this machine can handle even heavy-duty projects. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or thick quilts, the CS7205 delivers consistent, professional quality results. This machine is ideal for advanced users or anyone looking to invest in a sewing machine that can grow with their skills. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the CS7205 offers unmatched functionality and performance, making it well worth the price for serious crafters. Its only downside is that beginners may find the sheer number of features overwhelming. However, for those ready to take their sewing and quilting to the next level, this machine is the gold standard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.